Want to play your favorite tunes wirelessly in your Nissan Qashqai II 2014-2021? This guide shows you how to connect your smartphone via Bluetooth for seamless audio streaming. Bluetooth was a standard feature in most trims by 2017, and Nissan has provided updates through 2024. Let's get started. First, ensure both your smartphone and your car's infotainment system are in pairing mode. On your Qashqai's touchscreen or using the steering wheel controls, navigate to Bluetooth settings. Select Add Device. Your car will search for available devices. Choose your smartphone from the list and enter the PIN, usually 0000 or 1234 if prompted. Once your smartphone is paired, select your phone as the audio source in the car's infotainment system. Navigate to the audio menu and choose your phone from the available sources. Now you can play music from popular apps like Spotify, Apple Music, or Google Play Music directly through your car speakers. The audio streams wirelessly via Bluetooth. Control playback using the car's steering wheel controls, touchscreen, or directly from your phone. This allows hands-free operation while driving. Bluetooth in your Nissan Qashqai II typically works within a 10 to 15 meter range. This means you can stream music wirelessly as long as your smartphone stays within this distance from the car's infotainment system. However, metal structures or other wireless devices like Wi-Fi routers can cause interference or signal dropouts. These obstacles can weaken the Bluetooth connection and interrupt your music playback. To get the best results, try to minimize obstructions between your phone and the car's system. Keep the phone in a clear line of sight and avoid placing it near metal objects or other electronic devices. If you're experiencing connection problems, first ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and set to discoverable mode. Try deleting the existing pairing from both your phone's Bluetooth settings and the car's infotainment system. Then repair the devices using the standard PIN. Check Nissan's official website or mobile app for available firmware updates for your car's infotainment system. These updates often include Bluetooth stability improvements and bug fixes. Following these steps should resolve most common Bluetooth connection problems in your Nissan Qashqai II. The Nissan Qashqai II typically uses the standard SBC Bluetooth codec for audio streaming. This codec delivers sound at around 320 kilobits per second, which is sufficient for everyday casual listening. However, the system lacks native support for high-definition audio codecs, such as aptX HD, which would provide superior sound quality. These advanced codecs are shown in the available options, but are not compatible with the Qashqai II's built-in system. To achieve better audio quality beyond the standard SBC codec, owners can explore aftermarket solutions such as Bluetooth adapters that support higher bitrate codecs. These devices can enhance the listening experience in the Qashqai II. Given the Qashqai II's age, the built-in Bluetooth system has limitations. Consider aftermarket Bluetooth adapters to enhance functionality. These adapters connect to your car's audio system and can provide features like aptX support for higher quality audio. They can also enable wireless CarPlay or Android Auto integration for a more modern experience. A Reddit user reported a 50% improvement in sound quality after upgrading to a Pioneer Bluetooth adapter for just $50. Safety should always come first when using Bluetooth audio in your Nissan Qashqai II. Distractions from handling your phone can lead to dangerous situations on the road. Utilize the hands-free calling feature to make and receive calls without touching your phone. Simply say "call," contact name, and the system will dial automatically while keeping your hands on the wheel. Take advantage of voice commands to control music playback, adjust volume, and access navigation. Commands like play music or navigate to destination work through the microphone, reducing the need to look at or touch the screen. Before starting your drive, spend time familiarizing yourself with the infotainment system's layout and controls. Practice voice commands and button locations in a parked car to avoid fumbling or looking away from the road while driving. By using these safety features properly, you can enjoy your music and stay connected while keeping your focus on the road ahead.